Are you human or are you a machine? I mean, really?
Hey there, my name is Zed Howie, and this is Howie Grow a Brand.
1, 2, 3,
If you like what you learned from this video, help us promote this channel by clicking the like button below and subscribing to our channel. Ready to go? Let's get into today's chat.
AI. Artificial intelligence. We seem to be focusing on the intelligence and forgetting about the artificialness of it. Now, let me tell you, okay? Just turned 54 years old. I think I'm pretty young and hip, and I believe AI is going to change the world. The question is it going to change the world for good or for evil? And recently, in Texas, where I'm based, pretty much the entire state was frozen for a week. And if you don't live in Texas, you're probably tired of hearing about it. But basically, not only did the energy grid literally shut down, meaning there was not enough power to get to homes. It wasn't a matter that the lines were down. There wasn't literally enough supply of power to support people who are used to having a 40-degree winter, having a 9-degree winter. But then because there wasn't power, water couldn't be pumped. So it wasn't that we were out of water. We had supply of water. We didn't have capacity or pressure to get water. And so let's just say for 3, 4, 5, 7 days, pretty much every single human in Texas was living in existence that we typically don't live. And as one who was experiencing a lot of the fullness of that, I was literally trying to stay connected. I was trying to keep not from focusing on what I didn't have, but also trying to manage the percentage of battery left on my devices. So one of the things that I was doing was randomly spending time reading things on my device, including trying to be a part of the LinkedIn community. So with either people that were inviting me to connect on LinkedIn during that week, or people that I may have clicked on an article or something like that, it was amazing the number of sales funnels I fell into or had become a part of the week before. Now, if you're not a marketing technician or marketing expert, I guarantee you know exactly what a sales funnel is. And a sales funnel, typically, whether you've heard it or not, is the fact that you say, okay, this customer does this, then this is going to happen, and they do this, and this is going to happen, ultimately getting to what you ultimately want to happen. And so on LinkedIn, what a sales funnel looks like is the nature of the auto reply that happens either when someone reaches out to connect with you or you finally click on someone and connect. Well, let me tell you, the experience during Snowmageddon, this was in February 2021, will go down in infamy. Let me tell you what it was like to be like a human during that, and that was experiencing the asinineness of automation audacity. Not only from the folks that would send me 2 emails in 2 days if I connected with them on LinkedIn, the ones that were most disturbing and clearly artificial were the ones that were sending emails on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday during the first couple days of the frozen week of hell. The people that said, well, you must be busy, ... or you seem to have missed my first email, ... And so this, an effort to still be joyful, but also be clear. I not only posted this on LinkedIn, I also saved it into my notes section. And given the opportunity and given the battery life, this was my reply to any of the sales funnels that people artificially threw me in trying to appear human. It was this: PSA. If you've thrown any Texas prospects into an automated 3-email lead generator that begins with, "I know you might have missed my previous email," you might want to turn it off. Authenticity will trump automation every day, especially in a human survival crisis. Now think about it. If you were trying to close a deal with a customer in Texas and you had had a conversation with them on the Friday before the freeze hit, would you have picked up the phone and called them on Monday? And if you did, would you have discussed business? And if you discussed business, would it only have been things that had to be discussed that day? Because you're a human, and a human tries to understand exactly what their customers and prospects are experiencing, and a human adapts their behavior to the situational needs that they anticipate the customer's having at that time. If not, it's just like a pre-printed direct mail. So what was crazy about LinkedIn was the truly, and I tried to do it in a clear and concise without being a turd. But you know what? It was amazing the number of people that didn't respond. But more importantly, it was amazing the people that did. Some saying, "Thanks for the PSA." Another saying, "I apologize. My computer was set to pre-send and I didn't turn it off." Other one said, basically, "I really don't know where you're located. You're just on an email list." I'm like, yeah, clearly. We could go on a whole nother episode on that, but we're going to stop for the sake of conciseness, because I think you're getting the message. If your relationship with your customers and prospects is automated, then let me tell you, it's not going to be 100% authentic. So you better humanize your automation. You better have some way of knowing, especially when life events occur, that maybe now's not the best time to call and ask for your business. Because automation can create incredible efficiencies with function, but it seems like it sucks when it comes to empathy. So if you, on the cutting edge of everything, have decided, you know what, we can automate this because we can do more, you may be doing more, but you're definitely not doing it better. So I encourage you, whether it be literally with an automation sequencing sales funnel you developed, or functionally the way that your biz dev team, your business development team does the same thing every day, and if they don't do enough of it, you come down on them versus thinking about the how they're doing it. If you, in the sake of efficiency and innovation, are automating your customer connections, you better remember that in the end, it's artificial. And let me tell you, humans are intelligent enough to know when you and your brand are artificial. And that's frankly about the stupidest thing you could do.
Hey, I really hope this helps and inspires your day. If any of this works on your business this week, I'd love to hear about it in the comments or, hey, just message me. Can't wait to see what we chat about next time on How We Grow a Brand. We'll see you soon.